Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Art of Decor. We share awesome ideas to decorate your life easier. In this video, I can show you some different modern indoor plants ideas to decorate your home with best living standard style. Here are some inspiring benefits of incorporating creative indoor plants ideas into your living space. Improve indoor air quality. Indoor plants act as a natural air purifier by absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen. They can help remove harmful toxins from the air, such as formaldehyde, benzene, and trichloroethylene, creating a healthier indoor environment. Enhanced well being. Studies have shown that being around plants can reduce stress, boost mood, and improve overall well being. Indoor plants have a calming effect, promote relaxation, and create a connection to nature, which can contribute to a more positive and peaceful living space. Increased productivity. Having plants in indoor spaces, such as offices or study areas, has been linked to increased productivity and construction. The pressure of greenery can help improve focus, creativity, and cognitive performance, leading to a performed productive works or study environment. Natural stress relief. Indoor plants have a soothing effect on our mental and emotional well being. Being around greenery can help reduce stress levels, lower blood pressure, and promotes a sense of tranquility and relaxation, creating peaceful sanctuary with your home. Improve indoor aesthetics. Create indoor plants ideas, add beauty, texture, and color to your living space. They serve as natural decor element, bringing a touch of freshness and vibrancy to any room. Unique plant arrangements and creative displays can become eye-catching focal point that enhance the overall aesthetic of your home. Natural humidifier. Some indoor plants release moisture vapor into the air through a process called transpiration. This natural humidifying effect can help combat dry indoor air, especially in winter months when heating systems tend to dry out the air, creating a more comfortable and humid environment for your well-being. Noise reduction. Indoor plants can help absorb and reduce noise levels, creating a quieter and more peaceful atmosphere. They act as a natural sound barriers, particularly plants with these dense foliage or larger leaves help to muffle background noise, improve acoustic within your living space. Connection with nature. Indoor plants provide a connection to nature even in urban or indoor environment. They remind us of the beauty of the natural world, evoke a sense of harmony, and create a nurturing environment that can positively impact our mood and overall mental health. Encourages mindfulness. Caring for indoor plants requires attention and mindfulness. Regular watering, pruning, and tending to plants can become a mindful practice that allows you to slow down, be present, and collective a sense of responsibility and nurturing. Sustainable living. Incorporating indoor plants into your home promotes sustainable living by reducing your carbon footprint. Plants contribute to cleaner air, reduce energy consumption, and support a healthier ecosystem, aligning with eco-friendly practices and a more sustainable lifestyle. These inspiring benefit highlights the positive impact that creative indoor plants ideas can have on your overall well being, environment, and living space. They bring nature indoors, enhance aesthetics, and contribute to a healthier, more harmonious, and inspiring home. Join the creative journey with me and let's explore the world of art and design together. Please like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.